All right, guys, what's going on? Today we are going to move to the next module. Today we're going to look at one interesting topic in HTML, which is what quotation. All right, we have seen various authors, people who have made a lot of quotes, and people who have written so many books. In the course of their write-up, you have some text wrapped on a quotation. Okay, but eventually you are developing a website or a particular blog, and there's a particular word that has to be put or wrapped in a quotation. So how can we do that using HTML? In today's video, we are going to look at it. Very quickly, let's move straight to our friend Notepad++, which we are using. I'm going to come here. We have a tag called what? Quotation. We have a tag called quotation. So we are going to use that tag to do what we want to do today. Now, to do that, I'm going to come here and say quotation. Quotation of quotes. I can use Q tag. Yeah, let's just start with what Q tag first. We also have Blockquote as well. Now, if I come here, let me get a test from Lauren Imposium. You can have a lot of write-up here for testing purpose. I'm going to get this Lauren Imposium like as it is. Got it. Go to my Notepad++, paste it here like this. If I save this, mind you, if you look at the write-up, you say what is Lauren Imposium, whatever, all this, then we have here, there is no write-up or there's no quotation wrapping this text. It's just a pure write-up, no quotation. So if I save this and refresh our page, what do we have here? If I refresh this page, you see, we have a quotation. This text has been wrapped on a quotation or a quotation tag. You can see. So this is another way to lay emphasis on a particular phrase or comment. We all know what quotation does, okay? So with HTML, you can wrap your tag or write-up using this Q tag to wrap your word tags write-up in a particular word using quotation, okay? So we also have a block of code. Okay, let's use Blockquote. You can come here and I say open a tag, Blockquote. I will close the Blockquote just like this. If I come here now, I'm going to paste this text inside this Blockquote. Mind you, I have to close here. Alright, come here, paste this code here. If I do, look at what happened. I'm going to save. If I refresh this page, you see, as the name implies, block quotes. Okay, this will not give it a quotation per se, but it will give an indentation from the left hand side. Okay, more or less like creating a new paragraph. Okay, you create an indentation from the left hand side, a space. Okay, in programming we can call this one margin left. Okay, create a margin left at the left hand side. It also creates a margin left at what? At the right hand side, just making the whole text to be what? On a block or in a block. Okay, it wraps the whole text on a block format. So if you look at it now, it's more or less like it gives it what? 10 pixels top, left, right, and bottom. Okay, but anyway, don't worry about that. We'll get there. By the time we begin to do more CSS, we begin to use pixels, styling, and all that. But with what we are saying now, these two texts are of the same length, but different what? Display structure. All right. So this is what we can do when you want to wrap using these two format HTML tag. If you want to wrap your text on a quotation, you can use Q tag. Okay. If you want to make your text or write up to display in a block format, okay, you can as well use this. Okay, in Microsoft we say this is justification. Okay, all right, make your text to be at the center or the write-up to be aligned in this format. Okay, so this does not take the full page. Okay, as you can see, it creates a margin at the left hand side, margin. So this is how we can use what? Quotes. Okay, quote block and quotation tag. Thank you for your time. See you on the next video. Goodbye.